been a long time since I've seen you guys in a video in this sort of style. So today, it's not going to fit in screen, but we got a front lip, a proper one. So rather than that air dam I made before, I'm going to actually fit this now, and it'll look a bit better than what I've got on now, a bit more OEM sort of style. It's a replica lip, so it was a fair bit cheaper than buying the original one. I think it was around about $180 from FORESTERPARTS on Instagram. Can't remember the exact price, but it was a hell of a lot cheaper than buying the proper Subaru one. So I'm quite happy with that. Then after I've installed that, I don't know, I might film some skating afterwards, because that's what I'm planning on doing. Still a bit wet out at the moment, but we'll have a look. Yeah, let's go fit this. So now I'm using a 7mm to remove my old lip that I made myself. That was going to be for an air dam, going to be an air dam for a front splitter I was going to make. But I've decided to go a bit more tame with it, if that makes sense, and go for a cleaner look, rather than like I did with the Civic where it looked fucking ridiculous. Just started, already done that. Basically, I was lying on the floor, taking off one of the bolts. I've got a canard there, lifted up my head, bang, and now I'm bleeding. Right, so what you do, I've already put one bolt just up there. Don't know if you can see because I'm on a funny angle. But what you do is, there's a clip, where is it? A clip there, pop that out. Then you have to go underneath the arch liner to get that back. Then what I'm going to do is lift this here. I'll put some double-sided tape on just for a bit of extra hold. Under that, I'm going to lift that under that. I'm going to feed that clip back on, and the OEM clip should hold the front lip up. But I am then going to put some extra screws and bolts and stuff in as well. So there was this clip here that went into that hole there, but it doesn't work. I don't have a fucking clue why, so I'm going to send up a screw just to nip it, and I'll try to figure that out in a bit. Right, so that's now up for now. I'll sort it out properly in a bit. I've managed to drill it out and get, where is it? That clip there in on both sides now. The lip already on the bucket wood. I've literally just cracked the back of the lip, reversing off my blocks. The block bounced up, hit the lip, cracked it. It's still well attached, so one thing left to do, and that's put the SDI badge on the front. So what I've done to stick down the badges, I don't know if it's going to hold all the time, but I've used some number plate tape and cut it out to fit round the badge. I'm going to peel the backing off and stick it down. So I lined it up using the H on my registration plate, straight down, and in between that, the badge is on now. I had it a bit higher just because I thought it'd look a bit better, but yeah, it's first look now with the lip on. To be honest, I'm really happy with it. Looks a lot better than what I had on before. Final verdict on the FORESTERPARTS lip. Bloody beautiful. I'm now on the way to the skate park. That's it for the install part of the video, so if you enjoyed that, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because it really does help. I'm not going to beg you to watch your videos or anything, but even that just helps, just giving it a like. That's all I'm asking. So yeah, now I'm going to go to skating, and if it's dry I'll do some skating, and if you don't want to watch that, just stop watching now. If you do want to watch it, enjoy, and that's if you even get a skate, because it's still a bit wet out. Well, the skate park's wet, so looks like I'm going home, and you're not seeing any skating anywhere. So I sort of got a skating. I ended up going to a different skate park, but that turned out to be also wet, so I skated in the car park outside the skate park. So if you want to watch that, that's going to be here. Yeah, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.